Hello, so I just wanted to introduce this video really quick. In this video, I'm going to do a really quick layout on how I do another type of monthly view that includes some space at the bottom and space on the side to write monthly goals or monthly priorities. There's going to be less writing spaces in the squares itself, but there's more room around for other things that you might want to add into your layout. Okay, so I'm going to do this alternative monthly view that allows some room for space for like writing goals or priorities or some other things. So I again have an extra large moleskin notebook. I'm using the lined one, which is, I prefer actually not to use this one because I really don't like the lines, but I'm doing it just so you can see. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to create enough space for the title of this, and I'm going to use February 2021 as my example, and I'm also going to use 2 pages that are facing each other so the month will be go across. Then I need a little bit of space here for the day of the week, and I'm going to do that side later. Again, I'm starting with pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count down 7 squares and go ahead and just build the frame for and I'm gonna do 5 rows. Okay, then I'm gonna continue it on the other side. Now I'm going to create space for the days of the week. So this is going to start on a Monday with Saturday and Sunday being on this page here. Obviously, if you prefer to have the week start with Sunday, you can do that. But I'm going to count over 7. Okay, then at the bottom here, I'm going to use this space to create a little bit of structure to add a place to write stuff. And then I want 3 sections down here, so I'm going to count over 12. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my month. I'm also going to fill in the days of the week, and I'm going to create categories for each of these different sections. All right, so what I decided to do was just go ahead and put my numbers in and just circle them. I have a section in the space here for priorities for the month. This could also be used for goal setting or anything else you want. And then I have 3 sections down here for people who like to maybe journal memories, talk about or express gratitude for something, and capture any kind of learnings or insights for the month. And then I have a notes section. So that concludes this layout. If you have any questions, please let me know.